Hi, it's Laser and Sun Design, and today I show you how to fix a zipper. Intro! Actually, I think anybody should know how to fix this, but I'm bored and I'm gonna do this video anyway. So as you can see, the seam which holds the zipper inside the jacket is risen. Yeah, here, look. And now I show you how to fix it by hand. All you need is a needle and a thread. Pull the zipper inside again. Look the distance from the rest of the zipper and hold the zipper tight. Then begin to stitch forward like this. Just a regular normal stitch. And make sure that the thread knot is inside the jacket, so nobody sees it. On the way back, try to hit exactly the same stitches from earlier, like so. Perfect. And now, to lock this seam, make just a nice, easy knot. Bam. And cut this up. And it fixes again. Alright, and now I show you how to do it on the machine. It's a lot faster and a lot easier. So let me change the radio program for a second. Sounds like a good program. So forward, first lock, backward, forward again, and the second lock, backward, forward, done. Perfect, beautiful, fixed. Let's try this. Ah, easy. Okay guys, so I really hope you learned something today, and if you like this video, so hit the like buttons and subscribe buttons, you know what I mean. And yeah, don't forget to support your local underground artists. Bye.